Goodbye to my childhood bedroom. And it's snowing right now, which is... And then we'll have 3. Yay! They look so good. The guys delivered our couch just now. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to unbox this. But we still have quite a few things to get through over here. We're making some progress. Anthony folded all these boxes and he just threw out a bunch of other stuff that we went through today. I got through those bins earlier, started taking out clothes. Let me take my shoes off. I started organizing Anthony's side of the closet. And then we're gonna do a bunch of folding up there for him because he has lots of crew necks and sweaters. These we're gonna roll jeans into because jeans are kind of thick and they take up a lot of space, just like those sweaters. And that's pretty much it right now. But I'm so excited that we have our couch here. I cannot wait to unbox it. I hope it looks nice. Yeah, that's the update. Unboxed the TV finally, one less box in the house. It's pretty big for us. We've always had little tiny TVs, so it's kind of nice, a little upgrade. So we're doing TV out here and then projector in the room. Oh, is this the bottom of the couch?
Oh.
If you can.
Like, then look the TV?
Lift your side.
Alright. I don't know if I got it. I think I need this part to be lifted first.
Yeah. And then you open these. We got our cut. We have our couch standing up on the floor like this. It's been a week since we moved into this apartment and I love it. It's better than ever, but we just went shopping and we got a few things for the house. So I'm gonna give you a quick little haul-y. For my bathroom, I have this like cute little shelf under the mirror. I got 4 of these and I want to put Q-tips, cotton balls, cotton pads, floss, sticks in these. So I got 4 of these, and then I got those like striped Zara towels, and then I was like, we need more, so I'm gonna get 2 more of those striped ones from Zara, but they're a little expensive, so I'm trying to like kind of like spread out the spending. But then we ended up getting these this caramel waffle towel from Target. So these are Target items. And then I got a lighter. The long ones are really nice for like when the wick is all the way down and your hand can't fit in the candle. So we got an extra lighter. And then I got finally a trash bin, and it matches the soap, the little like soap tray that I got for the CB2 or the Crate and Barrel pumps. This trash bin, and then I put more of those like little cans inside. Me and Aunt got some Olipop at Target. He got the lemon lime and I Got the tropical punch. I am a poppy girl, so I don't know if I'm gonna like these, but we wanted to try them out and see how they were. We got this like floating shelf. We got this floating shelf. We recently, hopefully I showed you guys like earlier in this vlog, we recently got a projector for our room. We're not doing a TV in there. And so we wanted to get a floating shelf for like above our bed, and then we'll put the projector there, just so that it's like a straight shot view, you know, like the projection. So I got that, and then this actually matches really well with the with our nightstands. And then, so our ceilings are super high. The closet is pretty tall as well. So I got a step stool for me to access the top shelf of my closet. And then we got a pan. I like broke this. We got a pan for like rice and pasta and stuff from TJ Maxx. And then we got a utensil holder. I still haven't bought in my utensils. They are in my cart, but they're from Wayfair. They're a little more pricey. I got a really nice like wooden broom, but then I needed to get something to sweep up the little pile that I make, and then some like organic sponges. And my fave, these hazelnut wafers from like Home Goods, TJ Maxx. If you haven't tried them, they're so freaking good. And when you have a sweet tooth, these are amazing. But that's all for my haul. Yeah. Okay, a few packages that I want to open together. I kind of actually like already looked through these. Okay, so this one, our dining table's coming tomorrow. So this is just, I'm gonna one-handed this. This is from H&M Home, and if you haven't shopped H&M Home, highly recommend. So I got these like oatmeal yellow candlesticks for the dining table, which will look really good with the color wood that we're getting, or that we got. So I got that. And then in here, this one's H&M Home as well. This is well, I'll open it first so then you can see. Let me put it together and then I'll show you. On together here and there. And whoop. And they go like this. So this one is like a book holder, book stand, for one book, and you open up to like your favorite page. And it's also really good for like when you're cooking, if you have like a recipe book that you're following. So I got that. Then, let me put this cardboard away. Okay, actually, let me keep this, and then we'll throw the paper away. Okay, so those, and then I went to Crate and Barrel, and I picked up a few glasses. So there's this glass. So I did a little poll on my Instagram, and this was voted on. Also, I think it's really pretty, like the shape and stuff. It feels really modern and elegant. So I got this glass. I'm gonna complete the set, but I just wanted to buy one for now. See how it goes. And then I got these glasses. I thought these were really pretty, and it matches like a lot of the tones in the house. So I got these two. These glasses. I love the ripple effect. Here we go. So I got this. It's like kind of like a taupey brown color. It's really pretty. But it matches like a lot in the house. Got lots of browns and like warm tones going on. So we got this one, and then I also got a second one because it's me and Anthony in the house. I got another one. I actually really like these two because they stack like this, and it's really easy to put them away. But yeah, these are our new glasses and our wine glass. That is from Crate and Barrel. Oh, another Zara home package. I mean, H&M Home package. I got this little lamp here. Oh, and it comes with a light bulb. That's cool. Okay, this is the builder. Okay. Oh, it seems pretty self-explanatory, actually. So, look, Aunt, this is a new lamp. This is gonna go on top of our shoe shelf in the room. I got this. It's basically like an accordion magazine holder, and it goes like this. Oh, I think this is upside down. So like this. And then you just file away your magazines. And I thought it was so cute. I really liked the accordion look because you can make it like long or short. And it's like really nice material. I'm pretty sure this is stainless steel, but just feels really like luxe. And it has little handles on the end, which is really nice. So this, I'm gonna put it where it's supposed to go and I'll show you what that looks like. But just wanted to give you that little haul for things that I got for the apartment. We still haven't put our TV up. Our TV's going up on this wall, but we just want to make sure that this is like the layout that we like for the living room first, and then we're gonna take that TV, put it up on the wall. This lamp is gonna go in that corner, and so on and so forth. But that's really it. And then tomorrow our dining table gets delivered, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is how the shoe shelf looks. All of my shoes are in here. It was kind of really satisfying, but I haven't like color coordinated them yet, so that's still coming. And then I did put my cowboy hat from Wyoming here, so I was thinking this would look so cute on this end, and then that's all I'm gonna put up there. But do we like this here? Because I have other places it could go, but what do we think? I feel like the simplicity, even if I don't do any magazines here, like just having that like as a structural decor piece could kind of be nice. I could also shorten it. Maybe it's too long, but that's going there. Then this painting is the painting that I painted. It's gonna go right above the bed up here. And then I have this little ledge that's gonna go right under the painting, and then that projector is gonna go on top of this. So once I do that, I'm also gonna film that for you guys. And then above all, the reason why I got this magazine rack, like the accordion one, is because I have an accordion lamp that's gonna go right like above the side table. So it's kind of like playing off of each other and stuff. I don't know where to put my bags. Still trying to figure that out, but yeah. Okay, and she's built. I love it. And I think she's gonna go over here. But for now, I'll just put it on this side, or maybe on the side of the couch that way. But it's so good. I love the shape. This is H&M Home. Let's see, let's look at it this way. So cute. She is so cute. I do wish that this light right here was like up just a tiny bit and like more in the middle. But honestly, for like when it's nighttime and the shades are down, this is gonna be such a moody lighting. So I love her. This is the other thing that I picked up from Crate and Barrel. It's the Cedar and Sage hand soap from Crate and Barrel. It smells divine. I was actually going to pick up the hand soap for this one, but they don't have it, so I opted for this one. This one's a new scent, and I actually like this one better than that one. So I'm gonna go grab the lotion, because this is a lotion and this is a hand soap. I'm gonna grab the lotion of this, and I might swap it out for this one. They both smell amazing, but I think this one smells better out of the two. And then I don't know if I showed this yet, but these are some new glass jars that I added here. I want to do like cotton balls, Q-tips, some floss sticks and cotton pads here, or I'll have to see what else we use here, but I think that's what I'll do for now. And then I got some new towels, some like caramelly brown towels from the Casa Luna brand at Target. And I think that's pretty much it for the update in here. I'm really loving how it's looking so far. I haven't really like organized the bathroom at all yet. I have everything kind of piled right here. So I think that's what I'm gonna work on tomorrow.
I'll build it.
Our dining table just arrived. We just put it together. It's really cute. I like the material too. And easy to clean. I just cleaned the top and it was nice. We're trying to figure out the configuration still, but I think this is what we're gonna go with. I don't know if I'm gonna move the mirror or what yet and give this like its own like moment. But this is it so far. We're gonna get 2 more chairs towards like the end of February and we'll put them on there. We'll mix and match them, but it's gonna be a set, and then we'll have like 2 different sets, so these and then a different kind. But this is what it looks like so far. And I got these cute little chrome candle taper holders, and then I think I showed you guys the yellow oatmeal-y colored tapers that I ordered. And that'll go right here. And I can't wait to put some like pretty flowers there. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far.